Hey Max Impactors, I'm really excited today because I am going to see what my potato harvest was this year. I have these 3 bags. I'm going to dump them out and see what we got. Here's my potato harvest for this year. I'm really happy with this amount because considering that it was only 3 of those bags and they're fairly small. So this was a really nice harvest. Got some really small potatoes, but some bigger ones. Well, that was my harvest for this year. I was really happy with it considering it's only 3 bags worth. And I just had an idea of what I'm going to do next year. Next year I'll probably do a shorter season potato, and then I'll plant them and then replant them throughout the summer so I get multiple harvests, because that seems like that's the best, most appropriate way to do it in the bags. But the bags are really convenient because you can put them anywhere in your yard and they grow. As long as you have enough sunlight, they should grow great. Alright guys, well, hit that little subscribe button down below, and please like this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.